Fantom continues to see much of a consolidation within this ascending channel that I have here on the charts after seeing a significant bounce on a key area of support above the 0.5284, and in that bounce we have continued to see a series of higher highs and higher lows, and in the next coming hours I'm expecting a massive breakout here on the Fantom chart, which can either play out either to the upside or to the downside. And in today's video I will be giving you my breakout target areas and also give you areas within which I am placing my DCA orders on the long term. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 1 hour chart, basing my analysis on this ascending channel that we have here on the charts, there are high chances that we are going to see a break to the upside, and this is based on what is being formed here on the charts, where we can easily see that we have continued to see a series of higher highs and higher lows, and as a result of this I'm expecting a massive breakout, since this is an indication that there is strength in the market for us to see a breakout to the upside. And if that is the case, then I will be expecting Fantom to give us a break out of this channel to the upside, maybe with a retest of the upper side of the channel, before we can continue gearing up even higher to our next key area of resistance above the 0.6487, and a break above the 0.6487 with a retest. Then we can continue expecting even higher prices in a move that can easily take us back above the 0.7 mark. We also need to have in mind that there are also chances that we might see a bit of a pullback in the next coming hours, where we can easily see a pullback to the lower side of the channel. And if that is the case, then we can see the formation of another higher low, and once that is in place and we continue holding within the channel, then we can expect another bounce back to the upper side of the channel, and maybe this time we get a successful break. And once we get the breakout, then continue watching for higher prices. And on the worst case scenario, in case we see a breakdown move and we see a breakout out of this consolidation channel to the lower side, then I will be expecting a straight move to the next key area of support above the 0.5284. And as long as this continues to hold, we can expect another bounce back, and on losing that, expect even lower prices. And also using the Fibonacci, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made on the 18th of June to the highs that we have at the moment, I can get a critical area on the Fibonacci between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, between the 0.5324 and the 0.5188, which also perfectly coincides with my key area of support above the 0.5284, and this is a significant area to also watch out for in case of a pullback, since as long as we are holding within this area we can expect a massive breakout. And jumping to the daily chart now to give you my long-term price prediction analysis, and also give you areas within which I am placing my DCA orders on the long term. If I zoom out here on the daily chart, you can easily see that Fantom, after giving us the bear market low at the 0.1733, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making a high this year above the 1.2 mark, in a move that I'm terming as an Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. So we can term this whole movement over here as an Elliot wave count 1. So I can have this as a wave 1. And after seeing a first wave, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And once we have a low in place in this wave 2, we can expect a massive bounce in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then all-time highs in the formation of that Elliot wave count 5. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given using the Fibonacci, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made, that is the bear market lows, to the highs above the 1.2, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is an area that we have fully maximized, and at some point we lost the fib level 0.618, so I have to extend my target area to the fib level 0.78, which perfectly lies above the 0.3962. And as long as we are holding within this area, then expect that Fantom is going to give us a massive push to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5. And on the worst case scenario, in case we lose the fib level 0.78 and the fib level 0.88 at the 0.2962, then expect a total reset of the bear market lows that we made last year. And that is what I will be expecting on the worst case scenario in case we continue seeing the pullback, losing significant key areas of support. And this area that I have highlighted here on the charts, this is the area within which I am placing my DCA orders, since I'm expecting we are going to see a reaction of this area and start an impulsive move in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.